Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider.
Installing Windows 11 on unsupported devices using the upgrade method. Before you jump into installing Windows 11 on unsupported devices using the upgrade method, you need to understand the Windows 11 requirements. Here is Microsoft's website showing the hardware requirements. It is important that you understand all these requirements so you know the condition of your computer before proceeding. Below is the summary, with two of the most common issues. First is TPM 2.0 and unsupported processor. To check your system compatibility, go to your settings, navigate to Update and Security. Under Windows Update, you will see relevant information. Use the PC Health Check tool to get the details of your computer's condition. In my case, my computer's TPM 2.0 was not supported, and my processor was also unsupported. At this point, I would like to let you know that Microsoft does not recommend installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Here is the disclaimer on their website. Therefore, you accept that everything I'm showing you in this video is done at your own risk. But don't be scared. Don't worry. It is going to work for you. There is nothing to worry about. The first thing you want to do is go to the Microsoft page I linked in the description below. Follow the link to the page, then scroll down to download the Windows 11 disk image ISO. Select Download Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Choose your product language. For example, I selected English International, then Confirm. Proceed to download the Windows 11 ISO file by clicking the Download button. The file is going to be saved in my Downloads folder and in another folder called Windows 11. You can choose whichever directory you want to save yours. Click Save. Please note, the file is over 5 gigabytes, so make sure you are prepared for the heavy file download. Upgrade with Registry Edit. This is the method I'm showing you in this video. If this method does not work for you for any reason, watch my other video on clean installation. I'll put the link to it in the description of this video, and I will also pin it in the comments section. On this Microsoft web page, we can see a registry hack method provided by Microsoft themselves. Although Microsoft does not advise using this method, they have provided this registry hack that allows us to upgrade our operating systems to Windows 11. Additionally, if you don't want to lose any files or applications, you may want to back them up before proceeding. Go to the location where you downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. Right-click on the file and select Mount. This will mount a virtual DVD drive for you. Open the virtual DVD drive, and you will see the setup.exe file. Double-click on setup.exe to run it and start the installation process. At this point, I bet this installation will not work, and I'll show you why and what comes next. As expected, I knew it will return with this error. Guys, don't worry. You know what? It's good we got this failed point, because this failed setup process had just created an automatic hack in the registry editor for us. As we ran the failed process, a new folder had already been created in the registry editor for us to use for the hack. That's the trick in what we just did. Applying the registry hack now, follow these steps. Go to Windows Start, type search regedit, and click to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, expand H key local machine, expand system. Expand setup, select MoSetup. Right mouse click on MoSetup. Then select New. Then DWORD 32-bit value. Rename this new DWORD as AllowUpgradesWithUnsupportedTPMOrCPU. Be careful with the uppercase or capital letters and ensure there are no spaces. Click outside to save it. Then, double-click on it to edit the value, and where it says Value Data, change the value from 0 to 1. Close the registry editor. Go back to the Windows 11 setup file and double-click to run it again. This time, the installation is going to be successful. When you see a warning requiring your attention, don't worry. I've got your back. Don't panic. Don't fret. Just click Accept and continue. Now we are ready to install Windows 11 Pro without losing any personal files or applications. That's amazing!